Hey everyone, Technomentor with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off return missed call from your lock screen on your iPhone. So even if your iPhone is locked, you receive a missed call and you accidentally swipe it, it will call them back. And sometimes you may not want that. So we can go ahead and turn that feature off. So let's show you how that's done. So in order to turn that off, first thing is you're going to go into your setting of your iPhone. From there on, just simply go down to Face ID and passcode, or if you have a home button iPhone, just it's going to say Touch ID and passcode. Go ahead and click on it, and then after that you're going to go ahead and enter your passcode to access the settings. And from there on, if you go a little bit further down, you'll see allow access when locked. So even if your phone is locked and you received a missed call, you can actually return it because this setting is turned on where it says return missed calls. So we need to turn that setting off so that it doesn't accidentally call them back whenever it's on the lock screen that you see a missed call. So go ahead and turn that off if you don't want to return missed calls on your iPhone. That's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.